Hey guys, it's Tammy with nursing.com. Let's talk about how to use your nursing.com account to study for class. Now, before class, you want to come in here, review the video or audio lessons on the topics that you're going to be learning about in class. You want to read or print out the outlines, print out the cheat sheets, and so on. So let me go ahead and show you. Let's just say we're learning about cardiac anatomy. So you'd come into the cardiac lesson, review the lesson, print out the cheat sheets. You can even print out the lesson overview so that you have a place to take notes as you are in class. Now, during class, take notes, ask questions if anything doesn't make sense to you. Put a star by anything you didn't understand and need to review later. Now, after class, come back into the lesson, come in, take the questions to make sure that you're understanding the material, review the video, and outline again to solidify the information. And then you can even make some more notes on your cheat sheets. If you still need further clarification, go ahead and review these images. Take some of the mnemonics, and even you can look at the biodigital. I hope this helps. Please reach out if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Go out and be your best selves, and happy nursing.